In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for words in Google Docs. Whether you need to quickly jump to a specific term or make consistent changes throughout your document, I'll show you the fastest way to find what you need, plus a reliable method for find and replace. Start by opening your Google Docs document. The quickest way to search is with a simple keyboard shortcut. On Windows or a Chromebook, press Ctrl and F. On a Mac, press Command and F. You'll see a small search bar appear at the top right of your document. Type the word or phrase you're looking for into that find field. As you type, Google Docs highlights all matches in the document and shows a count like 1 of 4, so you know how many instances it found. Use the up and down arrows in the search box to move through each result without losing your place. This is perfect for scanning a long document and jumping straight to what matters. If you also need to make changes as you go, there's a built-in menu option for that. With your document open, click the Edit menu at the top and choose Find and Replace. In the dialog that appears, enter your search term in the Find field. If you want to swap it out, type the new text in the Replace field. Then choose Replace to change the current match, or Replace All to update every match in one click. Replace is great for reviewing changes one by one. Replace All is faster when you're confident the change applies everywhere. You'll also see a few advanced options that give you more control. Match Case only finds words with the exact same capitalization, which is helpful for proper nouns or acronyms. You can also use regular expressions to search for patterns, like variations of a word or structured text, for more precise results. If you're using the small search bar from the shortcut, click the 3 dots next to it to access options like replacing text right from there. Remember, Ctrl or Command plus F is the fastest way to search and navigate results. When you want bulk changes or tighter matching, use Edit, then Find and Replace. These features work not only on desktop but on mobile as well, and the same approach is available in Google Sheets and Google Slides for consistent searching across Google's tools. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.